Shri, welcoming you back again to my channel Emotions Unplugged. Obviously, it's been a long time we are meeting after a gap. Not to worry, no issues, because my channel speaks of emotions unplugged, and today again I am over here to connect to emotions. So it's time to speak with connect to emotions. Just with one statement, I would just like to start today's session. Have you or have we ever thought of reaching to and reading the mind of the heart? Sounds strange, because we have always thought that mind is the supreme. How heart can have a mind? That is connectivity. That speaks about the connection. Exactly is talking about there is a stretch of bond that we have developed with our near ones, with our dear ones, and that speaks of connectivity. Those emotions engulfed around us, surrounding us, that speaks of connectivity. It might happen that time will speak that many of us will still remain like unfolding many a pages of our hidden past. Why? Why? Either it might happen that we will be living this mortal world without opening our heart, or it might happen that those people with whom we have our connection, they might live the world without listening to our heart. Don't you feel it's something very strange? What exactly I'm talking today? This hot burning issue of Sushant Singh Rajput, the celebrity, great fan following, many a comments, many a protest. He left the mortal world. Maybe during his period of his life, his existence, he might not got a chance of getting connected to the world. But just the moment he left, we started sharing our feedback, our comments, our likes, our dislikes, many a thing. Where lies that gap actually? Few of my darling students once said that, ma'am, you better talk about this connection of emotions. I said, why, dear? When I was just trying to elaborate the concept of John Keats, a thing of beauty is a joy forever. Its loveliness increases, it never passes into nothingness. There lies the connectivity. And really, I felt at that moment, do we need to connect? Yes. Very true. We need to connect. It's not talking about myself or yourself or about others. It's talking about the entire human mass. Unless and until we open up our heart, unless and until we think about sharing something, we cannot feel that. We cannot get the chance of connection. There is a saying that many a times our tongue and lips fall short of words, but eyes do that. Why? Because eyes are a better judge. They will reveal a lot without saying a single word. That's connectivity. And we have truly experienced, many of us, that what exactly this connection of emotion gives us. It gives us a sense of solace of a heart, a sense of satisfaction that some or other I need to get that relief from those memories of our past. There is a saying, na? Morning shows the day. Maybe our past memories speak something about our future, which we are not yet ready to open up. But yet, it's the high time we should open up. We should. Or else we can't see a clear picture of not only of our present life, but also we can't forecast what's going to happen the very next moment of our life. That's talk about existence. Many concepts are coming over here. And really it is very much essential that when we are going and searching for happiness, it exists at each and every breath of our life. It just we need to identify that. Maybe with a single drop of a rainwater, maybe with a leaf falling down from a tree, maybe with a coal bridge. Everywhere that happiness lies, and just we need to feel it. That is connectivity. Emotions is just not that I need to frame a compact set of paragraph or an essay to speak about that. No, not at all. It just requires what I feel and how I need to express that. That is connectivity. We have a lot to share actually. But when I'm just going to elaborate that, how we need to bring that thing of beauty as a joy forever, that actually speaks of connecting the emotions. With this, we just have one word for you all, that you also feel that. Let that connection open up with your mind and heart, which will be giving for our next session with new ideas and new thoughts. With that, I would just like to sign out for today's session, but please don't forget to give your comment, your feedback and your subscription for my channel Emotions Unplugged. Thank you.